This is a special session on Nifty and its long-term trend. Actually, I have made a thesis that the long-term target for Nifty will be 30,000, and I have made this thesis and the trend analysis in the year 2016 or 17. Now, after that, the Indian economy does went into a lot of crisis, not only in domestic but also in global manner. Now, after 2016, India has big policy changes like GST or demonetization, along with IL&FS crisis in 2017. Then we have economic slowdown in the later part of 2017-18. Then the slowdown continues till 2019, and when the global pandemic hits in 2020, now India has also comes into a wrath along with the global economy when it comes to the performance of GDP along with the stock market. So it is very clear at that time that the way the trend was moving is moving and probably will move is on the upside. Now, when I say about 30,000, it's very clear in the chart. Now, let me show you, and there is a specific video available on my YouTube channel how and why it is 30,000. So, as you can see here, this is the monthly chart of Nifty, and I have made a support line. So, keeping this line as a base, we will make a resistance line. Now, if I draw a line like this, what you will see here is a trend, and the higher end of the range, as you can see here, in the next 3 to 4 year will give us a target which will be in between 28 and 30,000. So that's why I have said that Nifty has a target of 30,000, and it is very much possible by calendar year 2023 and 2024. Okay, looking at this range, because we don't know how the index price will move, but at that time I was thinking that this is the big trend that we are focusing on, and there is no change in the view either. Okay, and I think this is very much of it. But now, after going through certain articles and videos and some presentation made by investors who have been in the Indian stock market for decades, so there is a thesis that is 30,000 enough, because the logics they have given or the analysis they have will show us a way that even 30,000 is a smaller target, and we can achieve a greater target which lead the Nifty price towards 50,000, and that too even in this specific bull cycle. Now the reasons for that are very simple, and it has happened in the past, it is happening now, and probably the same thing will drive the stock market in the future as well. That whenever you will see a bull market, what we call as a bull market, and the recent example or memory we have at least is of 2003 and 2007, that policies were easy at that time. We have global liquidity. So these two factors are certain that we can see these two things at least right now, and the volume of these two things even in policy terms are very large, that we have or the world economy has never seen these kind of lower interest rate, these kind of global liquidity sloshing across the global financial market, and the kind of policies we have right now will definitely lead us to the target that we are going to discuss over here. Now, as I've told you that 30,000 is the target that we can very much see in this trend. Okay, if I draw a trend line like this, and there is no rocket science in this. Now, at that time, I was not actually thinking about a possibility of a move like this, nor I am right now. Okay, because trend is showing that obviously there is a possibility of this kind of sharp momentum where it makes a breakout above the trend line, and in that case obviously the trend or the target will be bigger. But what I can see in this chart, I have explained it to me and to others as well, that we have a long term target which could lead us to 30,000. But there is another logic, it's not logic, it's completely stats, where when we are looking or analyzing the previous bull market of 2003 and 2007, so here we have, okay, here we have the point since when the price started moving. And as you can see, at that time the stock market has given a return, this is a point to point return worth 589%. So this is the return that Nifty has given, okay, and it's from the lows of 2003. But if I put my cursor to a price which we have seen in the year 2001, then since 2001 to 2007 the price has given a return, the index itself has given a return worth 648%, which is 6.48 times. So if an index will give you a return worth 648 or 650%, so you can expect what has happened with the stocks, and probably those who lived the moments, they know what has actually happened. Now the same level, okay, we cannot actually calculate the return from this point, because whatever has happened till 6432, which was the high the Nifty has made in the year 2007, actually the stock index revisited the same high in the year 2014 and made a breakout above 2014. So technically whatever has happened since the low of 2009 to the highs of 2013-14 is a bounce back and nothing else, and we are going to actually calculate the return after the breakout. So technically after 2014, if you calculate the breakout, then it's merely a return of 120%, okay. And if you want to calculate the returns mark to mark, so the 600% after a breakout will repeat, because the indices has shown 600% in the previous bull market, and after trend wise, so the trend from 2001 to 2007, it's 648%, and after the breakout technically we should expect the same amount of return, which means 648%. So even I am looking at 30,000, it is simply a return worth 371% or 3.71 times. But if I want to repeat the same kind of percentage return, 648%, okay, then it is giving me a target, which is very near to 48,738 to be precise. It is merely 1,000 and 1,500 points, and we know in bull market these kind of moves 1,000 and 1,500 points will happen probably in a week. That's why mark to mark or statistically or technically, if you analyze the chart, there is a probability that even 30,000 is a smaller target, and we are technically look towards 50,000 in this bull run, and this is a fair and certain possibility, because bull market doesn't know any highs, nothing is bigger for bull market, and bear market doesn't know any lows even till it hits a zero. So there are two extremes. So we are in the bull market, we have ample amount of evidence. It's not only for Indian stocks, although I'm talking about Nifty, but it applies to all global indices. Here we are talking about Nifty. That's why I'm saying that for Nifty, the thesis I have made, I have kept my target of 30,000. But if I calculate these returns based on trend, then there is a possibility that the stock or the Nifty indices may hit 48 or even 50,000, or in between 48 to 50,000 even in this bull market. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.